Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this machine here is a Noble Speed Scrub Rider. The machine behind me is a Tennant T7. Now in this video series, we're going to show you tips and tricks that will either work for the Noble Speed Scrub Rider or the Tennant T7 to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. What we're going to do now is replace your solution drain hose. So you found a leak or a hole in your solution drain hose. We're going to replace it. The easiest way to do this is remove your squeegee assembly. Now we've already got the squeegee assembly removed. Refer to our video on how to change out your squeegee blades if you need help removing the assembly from the machine. So remove your squeegee assembly, locate the hose clamp down here on the bottom, and take either an 8mm socket or you can use a flathead screwdriver to loosen this hose clamp. Now be careful of any residual water left in the line. Okay, now I like to keep the hose tilted up as much as possible just to keep that residual water that's left in the hose in the line here. Then you take it and unhook it from the back of the machine. Now to replace it or to put it back on, just reverse the steps. Hook it back onto your recovery tank, come down here, slide the hose in back on to your solution tank and tighten down the clamp. Now, be sure to keep the hose clamp in a position to where you can easily tighten it. And just tighten down the hose clamp. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Stay safe and thanks for watching.